Hello, teacher. Good morning. In this morning, I present to you my fire routine, the wristwatch. I use my wristwatch every day to check the time. There are two types of clock, digital and analog. My wristwatch has battery, the case, clock hands, and crystal. There are watches of various colors, and my favorite is this one. My analog watch has three clock hands. One show the hour, another the minutes, and the last one the seconds. 4,000 years ago in Egypt, the first clock was invented by Benedictino Gilberto, and it was the sundial. My watch has a screen where I can see the hours, minutes, and seconds. Thank you so much for your teacher.